Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell courses on Squarespace in 2024. Squarespace, first of all, is a fantastic platform that allows you to create beautiful websites and sell your courses online with ease. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to set up and sell your courses on Squarespace. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video, and simply, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section and here basically just type squarespace.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you here into the home screen or main screen. If you have an account by any chance, just go and click on login. And if you don't have an account, click on get started to create an account. As you can see, you can simply just choose which website you want to create, and you will have 14 days free trial for each website that you created. You can create an endless website. So for me, okay, I'll just go back in here and click on login because I just want to log in into my account. And of course, you can log in using Google, Apple, or Facebook, and the same will be for creating your account. If you don't, as you can see, just Google, it seems in here. If you click on more options, you'll find like Apple and Facebook. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your accounts, for me, I'll just choose Google. I'll choose my account in here, and basically, it should create my account right away, as you can see. So once you are here, first of all, if you don't have a website, so this website seems like it's expiring, so I'll just go here and delete it. Why not? And create another website. So first of all, you need to go and create a website. Once you create a website, you will need to choose like the site topic that you're going to do. So if it's selling courses example, let's see if they have courses in here. So open online courses, why not? Okay, I'll just go and choose that and click on next and answer those questions. Why should I answer those three questions? Because it will help me choose the specific template that suits my needs. If I don't want to answer those questions, I can simply click on skip if I want to. So I'll just go and click on next. What do you want to do with your website's example? So maybe sell like services or sell on-demand videos, courses example, why not? Or sell online courses. Yeah, here's it. Good. And click on next. So what do you want? Do you want Bruce templates that they have, as example, on Squarespace? Or do you want to simply go and build something with AI? So for me, I'll just choose build something with AI. Why not? Trying something new, either other than choosing like the template that they have in here in Squarespace. Why not? And as you can see, what your site should be called. So, as example, for me, I'll just name it like Omics Courses. Click on next. Then build your homepage example. So just wait for this instant load. I'll be able to add sections to my homepage from in this step as example. So I'll just add an intro like section, digital product section, and even footer section. That's all I'm gonna add. Of course, you can add any section, other section that you want. Just check it, and you will find this right here. This is gonna be your preview. Click on next. So to add pages like about or contacts or course. So for me, I'll just add the contacts and course. Why not? No need to about me pages. And here you can choose the colors of your website's example. So for me, I'll just choose this monochromatic as example. I'll choose maybe this or this. I don't know. So it seems, yeah, I'll choose this. Why not? Then click on next. Here you can choose the font pairing that you want to use. So there's a lot of things here that you can choose. Maybe as example, I don't know. I'll choose this one. This looks good for me. So I'll just go here and click on finish. And as you can see, they are creating my website for me right away. I basically did nothing. So now you can personalize your website text faster than ever. By selecting continue, you agree to the content generation terms and that you are responsible for any text you create with Squarespace AI. If you don't want to, you can simply click on skip. I'll click here and continue. So describe your new education site. So selling courses. That's it as an example. Then click on next. Choose your writing style. Like, do you want it neutral, playful, professional, friendly, quirky, informative, whatever you want. So for me, I'll just choose professional as example. Then click on finish. As you can see, you'll see the example here. So we specialize in offering top quality courses designed to enhance your skills and knowledge. Discover the perfect courses for you at Omics Courses. Then click on finish. So generating your text, this may take up to 60 seconds, but it will not take like 1 minute. It will take 20 to 10 seconds because I did not create like a big website or something like that. And as you can see, yeah, it's finished already. So maybe 10 seconds or so. And yeah, we have our websites ready. As you can see, here's it. Now we can simply start adding our courses to my Squarespace website. If we go here to this list panel and click on selling, as example, you click on products right here. So what do we have as the product that you want to sell here? It's like courses, right? So it's not physical. It could be a service and it could be a download. Service, why? Like maybe some people will custom or ask for some custom courses. So it could be a service. As example, you can add a service of ordering a custom course, and you can make that course depending on like whoever asked for. You can add this as a server, or you can simply just, if you have already made courses, you can simply just add them as downloads here. So you can simply just go and click on add download to add this download products as example right away. And of course, like before doing that, so let me just go and show you. If you have like those courses somewhere else, as example, you can simply import them. If you have them on Etsy, on Shopify, on BigCartel, if you have a CSV file of them, you can simply just go and add them right here. So for me, again, I'll just go click back on add download. So here you'll have to fill up all those informations about your courses or your course. So starting by product name, for me, I'll just name it test. Description, I'll just like do here testing, of course. I'll not do something like big. Of course, you can add any additional info that you want. It's up to you. So just go here, click on apply as it is. Images of that course, example. I don't know if I have a picture in library, so I'll just add something random here. Upload the file, upload this one. You can add multiple pictures, and here you'll have to upload the file as example of that course. Maybe as example, the course is this small video that I have, so I'll just go and upload that. The price, you'll have to set up a price for it. So for me, I'll just put it like $30. And if it's on sale, you can simply just choose it. And what's the sale price for now? Maybe as example, 25. So some discounts. Good, maybe. So for me, it's not for sale. Organization, you can add this as example. So the category, maybe as example, I don't know, maybe education or it's about games, maybe how to be a boss or something like that. You can simply just add it, and yeah, should be good to go. Tags, you can add those tags. Some products add-ons if you want to add those add-ons if you want to, and here marketing as example. So you'll see how well. Let's look on your on Google, so on SEO and in social share. Outlook, something like that. For the checkouts, you can do some custom fonts if you want to, and even as example, you can do a custom button if you want to also, and you should be good to go. Once you finish all of that, click on save, and of course you can even publish it. So just go and click on this, and as example, click on preview here and click on publish, and it should be published into your store. So if you go to your website now, if you scroll down here, so wait, it seems like it's not here yet, but of course, I'll just go back to selling just to check. So product, is it right there, right? And it's public, right? Yeah, it's public. So if you go to websites, maybe it does not just load yet. So I'll just go here and click on edits as example, scroll down. So what's about that? Of course, I'll just go and delete all of that because that comes with the thing. I'll just go and delete all of that. And here, of course, I'll just go and add a block. And where's my selling thing? So it should be digital like products. Yeah, here is it. And I'll just double click on that as example. So I'll just click on get started. Yeah. And of course, it's a course in here. You can simply just add your course right here. And of course, you can, whatever you added on the product section as download, you can simply just add it here. So I'll just name it here, test as example. Yeah. And click on it. As you can see here, you can add whatever you want on that course. So it's not like other like the product that you can add the download here. If it's like chapters course, you can simply just add it here. As example, you can edit each type of the chapter. As example, you can upload your own videos and etc. in here. So you can even have this option of download additional sources. Example, so you can click on whatever you want. So do you have some pricing plans? You can add them. Paywall as example. Course overview, course content. Here you can add all the content that you want, so you can delete those videos as add the videos that you have as example, maybe from your PC as example, upload something, maybe this one as example, and yeah, you should be good to go to add whatever you want. You can add multiple chapters, and yeah, so that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.